In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix cannot connect to App Store on iPhone. If you're seeing cannot connect to App Store on your iPhone or iPad, follow along and we'll work through a few reliable fixes, starting with the simplest. First, open Settings, go to General, then Date and Time. Make sure Set Automatically is turned on. The App Store relies on your device's clock to match Apple's servers, and an incorrect time can block the connection. Give it a few seconds to sync after enabling it, then head back to the main settings page. Next, from Settings, tap Cellular. Scroll down, tap Show All if you see it, then find App Store in the list. If the switch next to App Store is off, turn it on so the App Store can use cellular data. This matters if you're away from Wi-Fi or your Wi-Fi is unstable. If you're only using Wi-Fi, this setting doesn't change Wi-Fi access, but it's still fine to leave it on. Return to Settings again and tap Screen Time. Scroll down to Content and Privacy Restrictions. If restrictions are enabled, turn them off. When restrictions are on, they can block the App Store or prevent changes that the App Store needs to work correctly. After switching them off, try opening the App Store again. If it still won't connect, perform a force restart. Quickly press and release volume up, then quickly press and release volume down, and then press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Release the button as soon as the logo appears. This doesn't erase your data, it just refreshes the system. Once your device restarts, test the App Store. If you've done all of that and the problem persists, sign out of the App Store and sign back in. Open Settings and tap the Apple ID banner at the top. Choose Media and Purchases, then tap Sign Out. Wait a moment, return to the same Media and Purchases section, and choose Continue to sign back in with your Apple ID for the App Store. A fresh sign-in often clears token or session issues that block the connection. Make sure you have a stable internet connection while signing in. At this point, you should be able to open the App Store and download apps without errors. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, give it a like and subscribe for more practical iPhone tips and App Store fixes.